Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Barabara Mason's property here in McDonough, Georgia. We just completed our inspection with y'all's adjuster Ulysses and your third-party technician Dwayne with Trueline. We got a lot of widespread damage on this roof, wind, as well as a very brittle roof, very poorly ventilated. I believe there's only one power attic vent cover ventilating this whole roof. Not only that, I want to say majority, if not every single roof in here has been replaced due to age and of course the windstorms that have come through here. I guess minus the neighbor next door. Regardless, we're going to be removing a damaged shingle today. I do have a roof snake for you guys. I know that's the tool of choice to put shingles back in. Wanted to find damage that obviously wasn't near other damages. It wasn't near any ridges, components, valleys. So we'll be removing this shingle today. Damaged wind. As you can tell, the tab ends right there, making it these 3 tabs. Let me mark that up for you. These 3 tabs. Also removing this shingle, it's got some weird defects on it as well. Here's a shingle overview before we start, guys. Overall condition of the roof, pretty poor. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna set you guys down, let y'all follow along during this process. Get you angled correctly. Alrighty, guys. Looks like this one's already okay. Like I said, guys, poor ventilation on this roof probably caused some of these shingles, besides the wind damaged shingles, to come up as well and unseal. Looks like they're unsealing pretty easily. Yeah, come undone really easily. It's like that. Alrighty. I can already hear the granules running down the roof, coming off just from this little manipulation. Yep. Any kind of contact with these shingles, even me stepping on it's causing granule loss. Okay, that should be it, all 7. Ooh, these nails are hot. Alrighty, guys, before I even continue, you can see how brittle these shingles are. Just that little amount of manipulation, and you can see the granules that have come off these shingles already. We'll go ahead and continue the repair. Just wanted to show you guys that. We'll put the new shingle in now. Caught on some felt or something. All right, get the right shingle exposure. Alrighty guys, so as you can tell, the roof snake broke. So I'll show you what has happened so far on the shingle. The roof snake also damages the shingle below, but it looks like I'm gonna have to finish this the old-fashioned way by just nailing them in with a hammer. Freak. Alrighty, here is the new shingle in place. Now, as you can see clearly, these granules have come off of all these shingles due to the brittleness. But if you take a step back, this is where the roof snake lies when I hammer these in. Now, there impacts to the bottom of the roof snake there, impacts to the bottom of the roof snake there, and impacts with the bottom of the roof snake there. Now, as you can see, the roof snake actually causes just amount of, the same amount of damage, if not more, than, just using a regular hammer. So I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys. Thank you for your consideration. Obviously, I would have finished this video with a roof snake if it hadn't broken. Thank you guys.